Today we study about varices. What is a varices and what are the type of varices and what are the cause of varices and what are the treatment of varices. We just know the term varices. So varices is especially esophageal, gastric, and sometimes it is ectopic varices. So basically varices are the complication of cirrhosis. It's a complication of cirrhosis. We just say that any patient who have cirrhosis and have portal hypertension, he or she have varices. Either it is esophageal varices or gastric varices or ectopic varices. Ectopic varices मतलब even most common site of ectopic varices is duodenum. So duodenal varices. So duodenal varices you just see, colonic varices you just see, rectal varices. So there is various type of ectopic sites where the varices are found. Varices is nothing but are dilated blood vessels and that reason. So particularly cirrhosis, in cirrhosis when portal hypertension occur due to the especially sinusoidal obstruction or due to the sinusoidal lesion, the varices occur. And what are the causes of portal hypertension? Because portal hypertension, in the cases of portal hypertension, the varices are present. So what are the causes of portal hypertension and how we can say the portal hypertension, or what is the definition of portal hypertension? Especially portal hypertension occur when the hepatic venous pressure gradient is more than 5 mmHg. तो किसी भी पेशेंट में अगर हमने हेपेटिक वेन प्रेशर ग्रेडियंट देखा और अगर वो जो है मोर देन 5 mmHg है, ठीक है, तो उसे हम कह सकते हैं ही है और सी है portal hypertension. And especially how we calculate this? So we just calculate this by doing wedge hepatic vein pressure minus free hepatic vein pressure. And the wedge hepatic vein pressure, it is the pressure of portal vein inside the portal vein and it is the pressure inside the hepatic vein. So you just minus the portal vein minus hepatic vein pressure and you got hepatic vein pressure gradient. Okay? And if it is more than 5 mmHg, patient has portal hypertension. And if a patient has portal hypertension, patient has more and more chance of varices. One more complication of cirrhosis is ascites. One more complication is ascites. Like a varices, one more complication is ascites. Now we study about the causes of portal hypertension. Especially what are the causes of portal hypertension? So we study what are the causes of portal hypertension. So especially if any patient has portal hypertension, so causes are particularly prehepatic, hepatic यानी intrahepatic and post-hepatic. They are particularly the most common cause of portal hypertension. This portal hypertension is intrahepatic and in this the pre-sinusoidal and sinusoidal and post-sinusoidal. The three are divided in the intrahepatic cause. So especially if any patient has sinusoidal problem, like any patient have 90% cases of portal hypertension have sinusoidal problem, intrahepatic cause or sinusoidal cause. Especially what are the cause? So cirrhosis, especially alcohol induced cirrhosis or post viral cirrhosis, ठीक है, and cryptogenic cirrhosis, they all leads to sinusoidal obstruction and increase the intrahepatic pressure and increase the intrahepatic resistance. So what are the main cause of varices? So main cause of varices is the portal hypertension. And what occurs in portal hypertension, especially you just see the portal vein is made up of splenic vein. The portal vein is made up of made up of splenic vein and plus superior mesenteric vein. They both meet and together and form portal vein. You just say that this is the like this is, if this is liver, you just say this is the spleen, here is splenic vein, and this is the inferior mesenteric vein, this is the superior mesenteric vein, and this inferior mesenteric vein finally drain in the superior mesenteric vein, and this superior mesenteric vein and this splenic vein combine together to form portal vein, and the portal vein enters in the liver in the inferior side, and it go to the inside the liver. It divided into right, left, and middle hepatic vein. And the right, left, and middle hepatic vein combine together to form inferior vena cava. So this is the normal physiology of portal venous flow. So liver have dual supply, like portal vein and hepatic artery, both the supply the liver. Okay? So now, so portal vein especially, you just say that the main cause of portal hypertension is sinusoidal, intrahepatic, and what are the other causes? Especially prehepatic causes are what? Like splenic vein thrombosis. Splenic vein thrombosis is a cause of prehepatic cause of portal hypertension. Like इसी तरह से portal vein thrombosis is also a cause of portal hypertension. Now you just see the post sinusoidal. So any veno-occlusive disease leads to post sinusoidal obstruction. And if you see the post hepatic, so post hepatic especially IVC obstruction, right heart disease, and tricuspid regurgitation. And if you also see the Budd-Chiari syndrome, you just see Budd-Chiari syndrome, they also lead to especially post-hepatic cause of portal hypertension. So this especially, they all are the causes of portal hypertension. Intrahepatic causes, in which sinusoidal cause the most common cause, and then post sinusoidal and pre-sinusoidal, and then we can say the prehepatic cause, especially splenic vein thrombosis, portal vein thrombosis, and post-hepatic cause IVC, inferior vena cava obstruction, and right heart disease, and also will lead to the tricuspid regurgitation and Budd-Chiari syndrome. They all leads to the portal hypertension. Especially in the portal hypertension, hepatic venous pressure gradient more than 5 mmHg. This is very important point. It is more than 5 mmHg. So now we study about what are the causes of portal hypertension and what are the especially definition of portal hypertension. And so now we just read about the varices. So because varices are the causes of due to the portal hypertension. Varices due to the portal hypertension. So we just study about what are the varices. So varices are nothing but about the dilated blood vessels due to the portal vein portal hypertension, increased portal pressure. Okay? So portal vein pressure. So you just see the varices occur due to portal hypertension, and there is two causes of portal hypertension. One is increased portal vein, increase intrahepatic resistance. If any cause, especially cirrhosis increase the intrahepatic resistance. And in nodular formation, nodules are also causing increased intrahepatic resistance. So increased intrahepatic resistance cause portal hypertension. And then again is we can say that the vasodilation, especially splanchnic vasodilation leads to what? Portal hypertension. They all can lead to portal hypertension. Portal hypertension has two mechanisms, especially one is increased intrahepatic resistance in case of cirrhosis, and second is splanchnic vasodilatation. They all leads to both leads to the portal hypertension, and the portal hypertension leads to the varices. So now we just go for the varices. Yeah. So here. In our next video, we just study about what are the varices, what are the types, and especially what are the definition, and what are the treatment of varices.